Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the manufacturing process laboratory. In this laboratory, we will discuss about the taper turning process. So in this case, we are the material required is mild steel. This is a mild steel round rod. Its length is 130 mm. Sorry, 100 mm. Its length is 100 mm. Diameter is 25 mm. In this experiment, we have the various apparatus required. In this case, we have vernier caliper and scale scriber. The scale is already we know, already we discussed. Vernier caliper is used to measure the length and diameter of the workpiece. The scale also measure the length of the measure the distance of the workpiece. The scriber is mainly used to mark the workpiece. Okay. Okay, already we discussed. Whenever the material given, this is a given material. So in this case, first of all, we have to do the facing and turning operations. Okay, in last 6 months, we did turning and facing, turning and facing operations. So in this case, after completion of turning and facing, the workpiece is shown like this. So in this case, we have to do the taper turning. Okay. Whenever do the taper turning, we have to first of all we have to do the facing and turning operations. Okay, this workpiece is done by facing and turning operations. Now we have to fix this workpiece to the check key. Already we discussed the various components of the lathe. In last 6 months we discussed. So in this case, we have to fix the workpiece to the check key. Okay. In this case, for rapid purpose, we have to change the tool post. We have to change the tool post. In this case, we have to measure. We have to fix the angle 10 degree. Okay, we have to change the tool post. In 10 degree. So for that purpose, we are using a spanner. We have to adjust this bolt. Okay, we have to adjust this bolt this side, and also we have to adjust this bolt in inside of this portion. So whenever we adjust the bolt, and we have to change the angle. Okay. Finally, we have to whatever the angle we need, we have to just fix the angle, and then we have to tighten the bolt. Next, we start the. Now I fix the 10 degree angle. Okay. Next, we have to start the experiment. So in this case, first of all, we have to fix the workpiece to the jack. So we have to tighten the workpiece to the jack. Okay. Now we start the. So in this case, the workpiece of the headstock of the created because the leg is switched on. So in this case, we have to do the taper turning operation. So now we have to fix the. We have to change the cutting tool, the cutting tool position. The cutting tool is already we discussed in previous experiment. The cutting tool is HSS steel. Okay, HSS means high speed steel. It's a single point cutting tool. Okay, now we fix. So for taper turning purpose, we have to use adjust this portion, this component only we have to rotate. In this case, the taper angle will be takes place. Okay, now we adjust this portion. The taper angle will be takes place. Okay, and go next here. Then we have to give the additional field. Now we have this portion only we have to rotate. For taper turning purpose, this portion only we have to rotate. The automatically the cutter removing in a taper position. Okay. Now the taper turning operation takes place. This is a final portion of the given workpiece. This is a taper position. So in this case, they are given and major diameter is 22 mm. The minor diameter is 20 mm. So the tapered angle is 10 mm. The tapered distance is here 15 mm. Okay. Whatever the parameters they are given, for that parameters we have to done by using taper turning. This is the final output of the taper turning of given workpiece. Thank you.